everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So I was very excited when I got home today because I ordered a mystery bag from Ofra. I don't know what it is lately, but I've been really into mystery bags. I don't know why. I like to spend my money and have people surprise me with things that I may or may not like. But regardless of that fact, I went ahead and ordered the Ofra Mystery Bag. I also ordered 2 highlighters because Ofra highlighters have become, I should say, my absolute favorite. I am absolutely addicted. I'm addicted to highlighters in general, but I'm pretty much addicted to these as well. And if they are like the other one that I have, I think I'm going to be pretty happy. So far I've ordered a Too Faced mystery bag. I've ordered a Pure mystery bag. I've ordered Beautycon mystery bag. I think I've ordered others and I may not have filmed them. So I have a mystery bag problem. Aside from all the subscription boxes, which are essentially mystery bags, it's a thing. I don't know. Maybe I should start a self-help group. But regardless of all that, we're going to get into this one. And maybe we'll even do a try-on, which means I probably will have to stop and, you know, get a brush or something, because I'm not going to stop now. But I did open the box because it was like seriously sealed with some major tape. And is that my address? No. And I want to cut open, but as you can see in here, like this, it's all wrapped up very well with lots of bubble wrap, which makes me happy. So let's just go over quickly the things that I actually purchased. You didn't have to purchase anything else to buy the mystery bag, which, by the way, I should say was $20. That seems to be like the going rate for mystery bags. So I bought this Ofra brush cleaner, the Insta brush cleaner, which I hope it is the Insta brush cleaner. I like to clean my brushes off in between doing my makeup, because sometimes you have that favorite brush that you want to use for several things. And because of that, I've been trying different ones and haven't really found one that I'm like super in love with. I have found a couple of no, I won't buy that again. So we're going to give this one a try. And I'll just put the prices of what I paid for, because I don't remember. So, as far as the highlighters that I bought on sale, Ofra highlighters are not cheap. I think they are $34 each. And I got this one and the other one for $17, I think. All I know is that they were half price and I was not leaving them there. So this one I got was Glazed Donut, and I'm just looking at it in the package, and it just looks spectacular. Oh my goodness, because you know I'm going to have to try it on. First I'll swatch it. First I have to get it out of the box. She's a little tight. So this one comes in a little bit of different packaging. The other one that I have, I got the Nikki Tutorials one, which is the moment I fell in love with Oprah. I keep saying Oprah, I don't know why. Ofra highlighters. It comes in, okay. Can you look how freaking cute? They put a little puffy thing in the compact to prevent it from breaking. I think that is the most ingenious thing I've ever seen a makeup company do. I have to write them and tell them how fabulous that is. It acts as a cushion so that there's no impact, and it does... Smart! Okay, can we just look at it in the pan? Can we just have a moment of silence and admire this? At the moment of truth. They feel like butter. Look at my finger. Oh, look at my hand. Yeah. That's it is definitely an icy color. It doesn't really, I'm looking at it, doesn't really have a shift or anything to it. It's just that icy. It has a touch of gold, which you may not be able to pick up on. But it is spectacular. Let me tell you exactly how many grams we are getting. This is a solid 10 grams of product, which means I will probably never hit pan on this, but I'm going to use it every day. And you know what? I'm going to make that effort to hit pan on it because I have to do it again. Yeah, I'm in love. That is absolutely stunning. And the $17 or I think about that I paid for it is worth every penny to me. The $34 is a bit hard for me to, no matter how much I love it. Hold on, cat hair. Shocking, I know. It's just hard for me to jump in and do it. There are certain things I'm willing to pay a lot of money for, and other things I'm like, eh. But when they're on sale, I go for it. By the way, I mean, this has been on my eye since about 5 o'clock this morning, but can we just talk about the Natasha Denona? I think this is the Joyous Palette. I know people are saying that that particular palette, it's a small one that was like $48 around the holidays. People are saying that it's not like the true Natasha Denona palettes. If this is not like the true formula of Natasha Denona, I don't know. I can't even imagine how good her regular shadows are, because I think this is just stunning, and it's lasted, it stays, I don't get fallout underneath. It's amazing. Anyway, back to the Ofra. This one is called Pillow Talk. They're all very popular. I wanted all of them, and I honestly had to chill out and narrow it down to just 2, because I could have bought all of them. Again, it has 10 grams of product. Oh, okay, now here's a perfect example of something. This is very interesting. They did not put the little pillow thingy in this one, and look, it got a little crushed. It's not bad, but do you see the difference that little pillow thing makes? I am going to write into them about it, and you know what, I'm going to take a picture of this now while I'm thinking of it, so, or I could show them the video, but let me just take a picture of it. Okay, I did want to document it because I am going to write them and let them know. Say, your little pillow cushion thing in the other one was fabulous, you should have done the same in here. But it's okay. This one is more of an icy pink. They're both that icy, non-subtle highlighter. This one definitely has a pinky tone to it. Again, they feel like butter. I shouldn't have put it on top of the other one. That is the color there. And that is the color there. You can definitely see the difference between the two, this one being more pink and this one having more of a gold color to it. Let's try one on one cheek and one on the other. I'm going to go get a brush. So I am back. I have my mirror. We're going to try this one on first, which is the Pillow Talk. A lot of powder, but that's okay. Plus I have my fan going, so we'll try this one on this side. Oh my god. Holy highlighters. Wow. Yeah. Me like it. Let's try the other one on the other side. That one's Pillow Talk. That's the pinky one. Let's try on the gold one. But I only have one highlighting brush, so we can use the other side. Why am I singing it? I don't know. Can you stand how blinding these highlighters on? I just put that on completely cockeyed, and I don't care. I'm drenched in highlight, and I don't care about that either. Wow. Yeah, I'm living for these. Well worth the money. But now let's get into the exciting stuff, which is the mystery bag, which, look at the bag it came in. It's plasticky on the bottom with that sparkle, and then it's like a nylon on top. Very cute. First thing I'm pulling out is, oh, this is cute. How cute. This says Ofra Cosmetics, the one and only. It is a badge holder. Now, I wear one at work all the time. That's always around my neck. I don't know whether I would wear this one, but it's really cute. You can put your keys on it too, and I may do that. I like it. That's a cute little thing. Let's see what else is in here. This is just a card, and it says, thank you for shopping at Ofra. Okay. Next up we have a Godet Refill to use in palettes and kits, and this one is in Rodeo Drive. Let's swatch this one too. I can just put this in my Z palette. I already have an Ofra a blush in there. This one is gold as well. It's itchy. It is more gold than the Glazed Donut. Let's swatch. They are all so soft. Now this is a realistic highlighter that I could go through. Oh, this is definitely a full gold. It's this bottom one here. That's beautiful as well. I love it. I'm happy about that. I will have to add up and put the prices on of the items that I got. The next thing is we have a lipstick in a very bright color. This is in Ultimate Red. It almost looks like it is either a peachy or a pinky red. Let's swatch. I do like their lipsticks. This is definitely, I'd say, like a corally red. Should I try it on? I have one lipstick already, but that's alright. I'll try it on anyway. Worst job ever putting a lipstick because it didn't go on well over my other liquid lipstick. But I got the idea at least, and I really like the color. It's a very summery, wearable color. And I love these because they are very comfortable on your lips completely. I'm happy about that. Moving on. What is this? This is another lipstick. This is in Emerald City. I'm going to open it. I don't know if I'm going to swatch it. It is a blue iridescent purple. Let's hold it up really close. I don't know if I'm going to swatch it because I don't think I'm going to keep it, only because I know I don't wear these colors on a regular basis. So I may put this in a giveaway. That is why I did not swatch it. But let's see if you can really see. See the iridescence? It's purpley gray. It's pretty cool. I'm not, at least they gave me one normal colored lipstick, so I'm happy about that. There's a lot in here. Up next we have an Oprah. I will continue to say Oprah, I think, for as long as I live. An Ofra Eyeliner. And it is in black. I have 30. I don't mind. They don't go bad. Is it in black or is it in blue? It's in navy. Yay! Okay, it's a little waxy going on my hand. Again, with the sharpening ones, sometimes you have to sharpen them to see how they'll work, but it's a little hard going on. I've never tried them before. I will give you my updates to let you know how I like it. So far, I have gotten my $20 worth for sure. Next up, it seems, I think we have a pigment. Yes, this is the Yerma Mineral Loose Eyeshadow in the color Bronze. These remind me of MAC pigments. Again, this is something I have not tried before. Ooh, would you look at that? It comes with a little... How cool is this? It's a little brush for you to paint the pigment on. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna have to... How about I do it this way? It is in, it's not a good swatch at all. It's right here. It is a beautiful bronze. I bet if you put down a glitter glue or something like that, this is going to be stunning. I'm so happy I got that. And I think there's two more things in here. This is the Fix Line Eyeliner Gel in White Rabbit. I've never used a white eyeliner before. Oh, it's very creamy. I'm running out of hand. It's extremely creamy. And you could almost, here you go, use that as like an eye base because it's that creamy. It's not that hard gel. You could also do really cool reverse eyeliners. You can do a lot of cool things with that. You know what's funny? Nice, I shouldn't say funny. These are products I definitely would not have picked out for myself, so I'm very excited about it. Ooh, and I have here a blush in format which is broken. Yeah, I have to take a picture of this too. It completely came broken. There's nothing wrong with this, but look at, okay, I just gotta show you, look at the back, at how rusted the pan is. Now obviously that's just the glue, but look at all like the powder inside here. It's a little concerning. I'm a little disappointed because, granted, I paid $20, but these products individually are extremely expensive, and so I'm a little bothered by that. I'm going to take a picture of this too. Let's swatch the blush anyway. It really grosses me out seeing that on the bottom, to be honest with you. The blush is fairly nice. And this is the color. It's a very pretty wearable color. I said granted, that is probably just glue on the bottom of that. And yes, it's not touching the product. I don't know why it bothers me so much, but it does that. This will just flop around. I get your point of what you're going to say. I think it's just the point. So, but I mean, overall, I'm extremely happy with what I got. I got some products that I probably wouldn't have bought myself, definitely wouldn't have gone and bought myself, but I love my highlighters. I love the fact that I got and they gave me a completely different one. They gave me the Rodeo Drive, which is one of the ones I was looking at to purchase. And I'm pretty happy overall for the $20 price tag. I think it's fantastic. Please let me know what you think in the comments down below and what you think I should do about the situation that I showed you. And that's about it. And yeah, I am so happy that you did this another mystery bag with me. As usual, I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I hope you did have an amazing day. For those of you who are, finishing up your day, have an amazing week, because it's just the start of the week, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!